Hey, what's up, everybody? Daddy Dave, Street Outlaws. Rick Ball is the owner of RC Components, and he's actually the one that's going to be giving us the full nickel tour of RC. So sit back and enjoy.
Showing Dave running through the machine of doing a wheel.
That's awesome.
Jeff Lutz, everybody, amateur. He's restarting now. Are you going live?
Yeah. Live. Should I?
No.
Nope.
Alrighty, guys.
Rick is our leader.
Here we are at RC showing 17 by 4.5 in its starting stages. First thing we do is we'll actually turn the front surface of it to get a parallel side, then we turn it back to do the other side. So in the machine right now, that is what's being done. This whole side will be finished, and then we'll run this whole pallet of them. Then after that, it comes back to the other side for a third op and gets lathed, finished, and then it will go off to polishing or anodizing, whatever it needs done at that point in time. You can see these wheels here, where the raw casting is up here, and this is smooth as that's showing. That side is done. So once this gets full, he'll come around and do the other side for a final deal.
That's a lot of wheels.
That's a lot of wheels.
So these are the other stuff that's being made for different products. This piece on this machine, in one operation, ends up making a brake adapter for us for a motorcycle. We do the motorcycle and the car stuff. The car industry right now is almost 50% of our business.
Oh wow!
So in less than 5 years.
Nice.
So.
And the motorcycle was 100% of your business.
100% until we started. We were very blessed. Everybody loved the product. People like yours truly, Daddy Dave and Lutz, make Team RC grow and happy with showing a great product, the engineering involved, and everything.
Oh yeah.
When you make chips like that, it's just money. Oh, beadlock wheel, ring.
Beadlock, yep. Man. What's up, buddy?
You good?
Good.
You work out?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Trying to stay in shape. Man, look at that. I don't even know what that is, but it's cool.
That is actually,
definitely a motorcycle, something.
No, it's actually not. That is the inside of the beadlock that we cut out.
Oh.
But what we do is we also make an inner for our disc brakes on the motorcycle side. We actually cut that out. So it'll be here, then it goes on to
the waste from one to make another.
Wow,
nice.
That's cool.
Nice.
Here is what we were just
So like I
showing.
explained earlier,
17 by 4.
I got a project going on, so they're actually making my wheels while I'm here, and this is one of them.
Being fully polished. This wheel right here is actually being done as soon as Dave gives us the green light on the design he wants. He's still thinking hammer-esque, and that will be done at that point into whatever design he wants, and he'll be taking those home with him this afternoon.
Yeah.
From start to finish, how long does it take to get a finished wheel? Well, there's 4 wheels on this machine right now. Each one takes about 45 to 55 minutes to do, depending on the design of the car stuff.
Where's my 20 wides? You got them done yet?
Yeah, we're not supposed to talk about that.
20. If Lutz is getting, what do you get, 20s?
22s.
I'm gonna need some 24s. That's the process of welding 2 halves together. It's not all automated. It's on a wheel that turns, but that man is actually running the welder instead of some robot. So he'll probably be employed for a long time. RC Components does a lot of Harley stuff too, wheels, exhaust. I believe we're standing back in that department for the exhaust. So we're at RC Components. I've been using the GoPro, but not 100% sure, but I think the SD card was corrupt. It said something about files. So I'm not sure if we got everything as of now. So I might have to go through and redo some stuff on my phone because of that deal. We're gonna walk into their automotive wheel polishing facility.
All of our lug nuts getting ready to go into the anodizing tanks.
Yep.
And everything right here will be going through anodizing. The chrome line and our anodizing line will start right here is our wash tank, 180 degrees. We let it sit in there for about 5 minutes, come back up so it breaks off any of the compound from polishing. They start washing it. Here comes 2 sets of wheels down through they're in the nickel tanks right now.
So this guy is anodizing wheels before the Eclipse machining process. What's up, Blair? So we got a little treat today. We are RC Components in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're out here for MPK, event number 5 or 6, can't remember. It's been a long few months since I've left the house. But we swung out here to RC Components to check out their facility. And hands down, this place is phenomenal. I got a little project coming up. So we're actually coming out here to order the wheels, and Rick Ball, the owner of RC, said that if I come up with a design right quick or know what wheel I want, then they're gonna go ahead and cut them today, and I can take them with me. So we're gonna walk over here to the machine that's doing it. I'll have John explain the process and everything, and this is gonna be my actual wheel for my upcoming project. This is John, so explain the process.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're loading a blank on here, and on this particular machine, we have a blank. So Dave's getting a set of fronts, so we've got one here and one on the back side also. So whenever I go and put the code for your wheels in, what's going to happen is it'll run one, and it'll automatically flip around and run the other one. So about
2 at a time.
Yeah, 2 at a time. Or there's another pallet, these are called pallets, inside the machine. So we can fully load it and it can run 4 at a time and never stop. And while the operator is inside, or while the machine's running inside, you can see the spindle could be running and the operator can be out here changing the parts out. So the machine never stops.
Just money, all day. Just making wheels.
Making money, making chips.
So I decided to go with the Hammer S's because, well, they're on the race car and you just can't mess with that wheel. I love that wheel. So that's what's going to be on the new project. This is actually going to be one of them, and they're going to start. We're going to start cutting
Right now.
right now. Let's do it.
0.9 seconds.
So what it did after we ran that, the probe popped up and it came in and verified that that tool was not broken. We set a parameter saying, hey, if we're within 50 thousandths, we're good. If we're outside of that on the length offset, then alarm out, the machine alarm out going, hey, your tool's broken, you need to change this out before you go any further.
So we just got done with lunch, meeting all the employees.
Got some TV stars here, some of the guests that RC Components sponsors. We all pitch into the deal that we help with. Jeff Lutz, Daddy Dave, wife Chris, there's and his crew. Come on, stand up. Travis and Katie. They're here racing this weekend at Beach Bend for the no prep race. Jeff and Daddy Dave's been in it a long time, back in the start of the days many years ago, and throughout the years we've teamed up as being sponsors with them, and it's been a very blessing for us and hopefully for them also.
Eating with them, answering questions and all that stuff, and the guys back here on the machine said my wheels are done. So we're gonna go back here.
The smile says it all.
Look at that. So how long did that take, realistically?
Probably hour and 45 minutes,
So
something like that.
Toured around, saw some more things,
Ate lunch.
and then boom, wheels are done.
Yep.
And that's both of them.
Yeah, that's both
Because
of
I
them.
did 2 at once.
Yep. So you've got this one, I mean, you've got that.
It blows me away that can be done like that. This thing was empty when we started my wheels. These guys say there's more material in the bin after a wheel's done than what's actually in the wheel. Amazing process. If you're a car guy or enthusiast like most of us are, like you could literally sit here and watch that machine run all day. It's just amazing. Look at this guy's hair. Okay, so I'm personally going to hand deliver my other wheel to polishing. And please, nobody get on social media and bash RC Components for doing this for me for the new project. Me and Rick had actually talked months ago, so it's not like they just rushed these, even though that's what it seems like. But you've seen it from a blank, how they get them to machining, CNCing them, cutting them, and to polisher. So we will look at them. We'll look at them again when they come off the polisher. Fresh off the polisher. Going into the washer. Finished product. All backed up. Start to finish, there was a finished product right there. Took about half a day to do. And that was kind of a rush thing. Just because Rick had no idea we was coming here. It's actually me and Jeff Lutz showed up. So the wheels been on order. We got them, showed up, and Rick decided to get them knocked out so we could take them with us. Hats off to him, their whole crew here. Phenomenal place, big facility. Rick, I've been with Rick for a while now, running his wheels, and man, they're just good people all the way around. Whenever we needed something, emergency-wise or whatever, you know, Rick takes care of us on that part. So the motorcycle wheel industry used to be his biggest one. And now the automotive industry makes up 50% of his business, to where it used to be like 10% of his business. Most of it was Harley Davidson, just making metal chips. And Rick said per month, you know, it's $15,000 to $20,000 is what they get back for these. So they just sell them off the company. It'll get melted back down, made into another wheel, and then just processed like that. This is their exhaust side of it, where they make the exhaust for the Harleys. With all their jigs. Pretty cool place. I know I said it before, but like we don't get to see this side of it. We get to see it when we pull it out of the box, mount the tire on it, you know, and we go racing. But to see them made and how they're welded together, welding machine here. Pretty cool deal, really is. Finished product on their welding. And that's not robot. A man actually runs the welder on that deal. It's not done by a robot, which is also awesome, I think. Gives a guy a chance to be employed. He can actually see if something goes wrong. So that part of it's pretty cool to me. Keeping people employed. It'd be cool to hang out in here all day and actually learn how to run some of these machines. But I promise you, I would tear it up. This is one of their newest machines. It's big. I don't even know where you look into that thing. Apparently that's what it's making, if I had to guess. All the different toolings. So it just grabs what it needs. I want to think he said there was 740 some toolings in that machine. So whatever it needs, it just goes over there and grabs. Awesome place. RC Components, you can go check them out. They make a lot of cool wheels. And I am honored and privileged to actually get to see mine made. We enjoyed. I don't get to see this much, this type of stuff, so I hope you all enjoyed walking around with me. And we'll see you on the next one.